This video will guide you through the process of creating a Telegram channel, allowing you to build a community and broadcast your message to a dedicated group of followers. Whether you're a content creator, influencer, business owner, or simply someone with a message to share, this video is for you. We'll cover the steps to create and customize your Telegram channel, regardless of your technical experience. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. It will help us a lot. Launch the Telegram app on your mobile device. Tap on the chat section from the bottom if you are not in this zone. Tap on the pencil icon in the top right corner to start a new message. From the options, select New Channel. Tap Create Channel. Enter a catchy name for your channel and provide a brief description of its purpose. You can also upload a picture by tapping the image placeholder. I will choose an image from my image gallery. Tap Next. Choose between a public channel, anyone can find and join, or a private channel, accessible only via an invite link. If you select a public channel, then you can choose the public link. Also, you have the possibility to restrict the saving of content from your channel. Tap Next to continue. Tap OK. You can add members from your contact list or by username. Select the persons you want to invite and tap Next. You have created a new channel on Telegram. Now that you know how to create a Telegram channel, start building your community and sharing your message with the world. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.